Hi, this is Alex from the Reckwell Bike Shop. Thanks for joining me while we go over the ABC Quick Hand Check, which you should do before every ride. Let's get started.
ABC Quick Hand stands for air, brakes, chain, quick releases, and hand tight. We'll start with air. You'll want to use a bike pump. I'm using a floor pump here. You want to inflate that to its proper specification, which you can find on the tire. Next, you want to check and make sure the tire spins well in the frame and has no damage. Next, we'll check the brakes. We want to make sure our brakes stop the bike by squeezing the front brake and pushing forward until the rear wheel lifts, and then squeezing the rear brake and pushing backward until the front wheel lifts. Make sure your brakes are easy and comfortable to engage. Now we'll check the chain. Check the chain first by visually inspecting for dirt and rust. You also want to pedal backwards to ensure that the chain is moving fluidly through your gears. This chain could use a cleaning. I'll show you how that works. First, you'll need a rag and a bike lubricant. I like to use Tri-Flow. Don't use WD-40. The first thing you'll do is take your rag and lightly pinch the bottom of the chain, then pedal backwards. This gets excess dirt and grime off of the chain. Once you've gone through a couple of revolutions, it's time for the Tri-Flow. Drip this on the chain as you pedal backwards through a couple of revolutions as well. Finally, we'll come back with the clean section of the rag to clear off the excess and to remove additional dirt. Quick stands for quick releases. You want to make sure that they are tight and closed. Turn it clockwise until when you close the quick release, you get some resistance, but you want to make sure you can actually close the quick release fully. Hand stands for hand tight. You want to make sure that all of the pieces of your bike don't have any excess play, which means that there's extra movement. First, I'll check that the front wheel doesn't move. Then I'll check to make sure that the handlebars don't turn without the wheel moving as well. Now I'll check that the pedals and crank arms don't wiggle and that the seat post is firmly in place. The last thing I'll check is the rear wheel.
Thanks for watching this video. Remember to do your ABC Quick Hand Check before every ride. If you have any questions, you can email askthebikeshop@umd.edu. Remember to stay safe, wear a helmet, follow local traffic laws, and happy riding!